guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to another new vlog. Right, today you're joining me. Oh mate, I gotta share this. This is sick. That's an M3. Oh, this is sick. Oh, C63. The sound of this is power. This is proper. Sick. The C63 sounds good as well. Honestly, man, I give you that. Beautiful cars around. Sun's out, so can't really complain. Yeah. 550 after a good remap. Very nice. Very, very nice. There's an M4 there as well. Got an Astra GSI and got a Volkswagen R there. It looks sick. Yeah, that's all I wanted to show. And of course the view looks stunning. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and thanks for watching this another short vlog. And yeah, I see you for next time. Goodbye.